How to not get suspended on Etsy. Now, if you don't want to get suspended from Etsy's seller, first of all, you need to find out about the rules and guidelines to follow as a seller on Etsy. In order to know that, simply open your browser and search for Etsy rules for selling. Then this first link of seller policy or house rule will appear in the very top. Simply open it and read through it in order to know the legal or seller policies. And once you read through all of the rules, you will know what you should and should not do on Etsy as a seller in order to not get suspended. And if you violate any of these and they figure out that you did violate any of these terms and conditions, they will suspend your Etsy seller and you might not be able to sell anything on Etsy again. So the first thing is to know the rules, and second thing is to follow the rules, and then you will be safe and not be suspended from Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.